Hi friends, first of all a very happy new year to all. In the today's video I am going to discuss an update regarding CGL exam. The last date for CGL exam is 23 January. So before the closing date try to apply, otherwise server will be busy, okay, regarding that notice given. So try to apply as early as possible for this exam, otherwise the server will be busy and you can't log in into website and you can't apply, okay. So don't wait till the last date. Here you can see what is the starting date and last date for this applying for this exam. Actually application already open from December 23 onwards. December 23 onwards application open. And the last date for applying for this exam is 23 January. So 1 month time given. 1 month time given. So before 23 you have to apply for this. So as the server will be busy, you have to apply as early as possible, okay. And last date for paying through Chalana is 27th. It doesn't mean that you can't wait till 27th. Before 23 you have to apply for this, and for Chalana there will be an extra time. Up to 27th they will give you the additional time. So before 23 application should be submitted. And the exam for this will be in April 2022. So 4 months time is there. So around 4 months time is there. And if you are really preparing for this exam, and if you keep working hard for these 4 months, that will be enough for preparing for this exam. April 2022 is the examination date. Examination date also given readily, and tied to exam will be informed later, okay. So if you haven't applied for this exam, so try to apply this as early as possible and start the preparation. And here you can see the examination pattern. And in the tier 1 exam, what happens? General intelligence and reasoning 25 questions will be given, general awareness 25 questions, quantitative aptitude 25 questions, English comprehension 25 questions will be given, total for 200 marks. So each question 2 marks is there. 25 questions will be given, 50 marks. General awareness 25 questions will be given, 50 marks. Quantitative aptitude 25 questions, 50 marks, and English comprehension 25 questions, 50 marks. So total for 200 marks it is. For total 200 marks, 1 hour time will be given in tier 1 for these 100 questions. For these 100 questions, 1 hour time will be given. And regarding tier 2, that is for paper 1 quantitative ability, 100 questions will be given and 200 marks. 100 questions will be given, 200 marks. 2 hours time will be given for each paper, okay. In tier 2 for paper 1, this is the timing, okay. In case of paper 2, English language and comprehension will be given and 200 questions, 200 marks. And paper 3 statistics, 100 questions, 200 marks. And general studies, 100 questions, 200 marks, okay. 2 hours 40 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes will be given. And in this case you can see for tier 1 there will be a negative marking of 0.5 for each wrong answer. Negative marking is 0.5. And for regarding tier 2 there will be a negative marking of 0.25 for each wrong answer, okay. For tier 2 negative mark is 0.25, for tier 1 negative marks is 0.5. And for all posts in tier 2, tier 1 is common for all. In tier 2, paper 1 and paper 2 is compulsory for all kind of posts. For all kind of posts, paper 1 and paper 2 is compulsory. Regarding paper 3 and paper 4 will be there for some subjects only, okay. For some qualification candidates only, for some kind of posts only, they have to appear for paper 3 and paper 4. So regarding most of the for some of the posts, and in tier 2 paper 1 and paper 2 is mandatory, okay. For tier 3 examination, the pattern for tier 3 examination is it is like a pen and paper mode, descriptive paper in English and Hindi. So both languages it will be given. Writing of essay, precise letter, application, so and so. Regarding essay will be given, precise writing will be given, letter writing will be given, and application how they have to write, some kind of questions will be given. And for that maximum marks is 100 marks, 1 hour time will be given. And for some vacancies, tier 4 skill test will be there. In tier 4, computer proficiency test and data entry speed test will be conducted, okay. In tier 4, computer proficiency test will be conducted. And in detailed syllabus will be discussed in next video, okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.